Hi, it's Phil Harvey here, and today we're talking with Jeans Seng from Lanner Electronics. Jeans, welcome.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to join the event.
Great, glad to have you here. We want to talk about all the different new devices that and different platforms that service providers are using now that Lanner's providing. The first thing is, tell us about the new IoT platform that you've been talking about recently.
Okay, so in the last couple of months, service provider is urging to deploy the UCPE for enterprise market, and also they are targeting to enter into a real small enterprise. And so in last month at RSA, Lanner had introduced entry-level CPE box, which is ideally for small enterprise as a virtual CPE, as well as the pricing point also reach the target for the IoT cybersecurity gateway.
Oh, so excellent. So small form factor and multiple use cases.
Yeah, so it's an ideal platform to help service provider also to address the IoT spaces.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
And so in that instance, same device for both uses. So both for IoT and for security and for service provider use.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So you've also talked about another platform that you were using for mobile edge computing, which is another service provider use case that seems to be getting quite a lot of attention.
Yeah. So when talking about the CPE side, it's cover the enterprise space that the service provider is looking for. But when targeting on the say the coming 5G edge, the edge computing will be one of the most important areas that service provider to implement the service to reduce the latency and to increase the efficiency of the network. And so Lanner has been working with the ecosystem partner to validate and develop certain level of application, including Cloud RAN, which was recently doing a demo at Taiwan, and which draw a lot of attention that a small, complex network appliance at the edge can serve thousands of broadband servers. Yeah.
So bringing as much computing power and bandwidth to the edge as possible.
Yeah, of course. And also the form factor is ideal, and with a NEPS design and so it's ideal for a service provider to introduce the platform to the mobile edge.
So we've talked about two interesting, use cases: small devices for IoT that also can be used for, for a variety of other scenarios like security.
Yeah.
You talked about your mobile edge computing platform. Throughout all of the access and edge devices, what is Lanner doing to help service providers improve their security?
Yeah, actually, when those devices deployed at the enterprise, service provider has the obligation to provide remote operation and administration management. So by opening this OAN interface, then do a lot of effort to make sure that that created interface is secure enough to protect enterprise. Same idea when the mobile edge computing was deployed nationwide scale. The security is also another concern for service provider. So Lanner has provided a lot of work to validate and make sure that the platform is secure enough from the BIOS level, from the boot level, and also from the OAM IPMI interface.
So all the way down to the BIOS, and just at every level of the device, you're looking after service provider security needs.
Yes.
All right, this has been very educational, and thanks so much for joining us today, Mr. Seng. Appreciate it.
It's my pleasure. Thank you.